This is our very first YouTube video, and we are very excited to get started.
So today we're going to the Vault Car Show. Pretty friggin' excited.
I'm also very excited about this car show. It's normally a good one. You know, we come here a lot. And it should be some cool cars. I don't know about any flames, but maybe some potential there. Let's pass it on to my colleague, Braden Reynolds.
This is only my second time going to the vault, something like that. First one was pretty key. I've also been to the Auto Car Club one. That was pretty key, but I don't know. See what's there. Some old guys bringing some cool cars. Never know what's going to happen, you know. It's going to be a movie.
It is going to be a movie.
All right, give us what you're thinking.
We're expecting to see a bunch of cool cars, so we'll see you there.
Good like soul food. Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the motto: smoke something, drink something, pop one.
You guys bought a Pagani.
Best angle on a Competizione? Right here.
Go say who you are. What are the chances this is real? Probably not very high.
Looks
Those are very rare and expensive.
holy shit. He's taking a kid with him. Get him a ride.
Where's mine at? I'm a little boy.
Dude, I want to be that kid.
Oh, he's still going. He sneezed and I just saw a bowl of snot fall to the ground. And it says SV on the side, because that's what it is.
What do you think, Mom?
What's
Now we know why the rims are scraped. That guy wasn't even old enough to drive.
Street. Okay, let's go look at the C6.
Oh yeah. Never forget segment. Just so tired. Never forget. Wait, is that bad?
Well, I got that on film.
Forget. No, I'm actually trying to be nice here. Never forget.
We need the sponsor, yeah.
Thank you for the firemen.
Thank you for
rushing to the scene.
I'm in the way and I'm gonna get run over by a car. Oh my gosh. It's hurricane.
What did you do?
I didn't do anything. Kate had the mic the whole time.
No. Wait, what?
You messed up
I
the
did
camera.
not do anything.
You freaking messed up the camera. Sheesh. The audio on those last few. What is that? Is that the hurricane? The hurricane. Nah, dude, that's huge. That's huge. That's huge. Oh my god.
just
The freaking microphone stinks.
We should bleep the fart like.
That was a hefty one too. That had some wetness to it. Hey Nathan, that's the guy. That's the dream right there. Growing old with your old lady. You know what I mean?
One day.
Growing old with your old lady.
I do like
in a
the
nice
Porsche.
in a nice car. Can't get any better than that. GT3.
This guy's beaming.
Dude, I would. You see all these cameras on me? Dude, this is literally a child driving this car. This is literally a child driving this car. Age guess. How old do you think that guy is?
26.
Maximum 19.
Turbsky on that one.
Okay.
Pretty long there.
This is quiet.
I like this.
It's quiet.
You hear the grumble from the back.
Good grumble, huh?
I want to hear that rev.
It's
I'm
quiet.
expecting it to be loud.
Oh, that's it.
The supercharger sounds so good. Supercharger sounds good. What is that? Oh my gosh. We need to follow this guy. We need to follow this guy. Dude, got a gap cam. Think it's fast? Think so? Dude,
It's like he got into a bit of a fender bender.
why is this at Texas 2K?
I don't know, man. It's probably coming here tomorrow.
Ooh.
It's expected.
Lamborghini. That's got some gyat, dude. Did you see the back tires on that? Did you see the window shaking? It's the window shaking. Look at the window shaking. That thing's slow. Didn't park very well. That's okay. Dude.
You don't need cams on your car.
The ops. The ops. Pretty natural.
The ops have arrived.
That's so funny.
What are those dealerships called? In North Scottsdale?
Oh,
yeah, I know what you're talking about.
dealership in North Scottsdale.
Well, he said the name of that and said, "Are you going with it?"
Okay.
So I think they might be going there. That's why they left.
Well, maybe because they said that they were going.
I didn't know if they said yes. to the answer.
I like the green SVJ because I saw flames. Oh yeah, the SVJ. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, sick. Good name.
And the green one too.
Jonah, wait, have your
SVJ
listening
too.
bot on. Oh, wait, where am I going to park? Normally I park over there.
Touring.
Yike. Wow. Really yank that. Oh, my god.
That's the one.
Dude, that was an explosion.
Models, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my Glock while your ass ride shotgun.
I was about to say a Fortnite joke because the exhaust is rift.
I drove that the other day.
Oh my god, I just voice cracked. Hopefully that didn't pick it up. That was a little scary. That was his kid. Let's go follow him. She's getting mad over there. Yeah. Dude, I'm about to hop this fence. Jeez. Dude, how do we get over this? Should we just jump? Jump over there. I want to go over there. Bro, we need... Dude, we gotta get over this. Wait, let's go over this way. Guys, come on.
That sounds better than the other one. I like that one.
I have 2 words. A yike. Sterrato. What if they take that thing off-roading? Definitely not.
No passenger, no backseat.
Did you not see that? Bro, I'm finding a lot of lookalikes today. Okay, that guy looks like Kylo Ren. What's his name? What's Kylo Ren's name? Adam Driver? Wait, is it Adam Driver? Nathan, you need to show him.
It's kind of like Kylo Ren.
That guy looks like Kylo Ren.
It's definitely not him, but it looks like
No, I swear. Huh? Dude. Yummy.
that angle, kid.
Bro. Do I look aesthetic?